Hello, Sasu Flavas family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another episode. And today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make sorrel pineapple ginger juice. Doesn't that sound delicious? Doesn't this look delicious? First things first, wash your sorrel off camera. You want to get all the dirt and stuff out. You want to wash the leaves about 3 times. When I say wash it with water, okay? Then you're going to put it into your pot with some cinnamon powder, cinnamon stick. I went ahead and I added a bay leaf, and you want to add some fresh cloves in here. I think I threw the cloves in and forgot to record it. Then I'm adding in some water here, some spring water, filtered water. Just add it into your pot. All the ingredients to this recipe will be in the description box of this video. And if you are still watching right now, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell before we continue, and follow along. Here I'm adding in some orange slices, because orange gives your sorrel such a good flavor. And do you guys see how red the sorrel looks? That lets you know that it's loaded with lots of antioxidant properties. It's great for your blood. It's great for the blood pressure, your gut health. Sorrel is really, really good. Hibiscus, just look it up. And this is what I want you to set your temperature at for your pot. And once it begins to look like this, you're gonna turn the stove off, let this sit overnight. Whenever you're letting your sorrel sit on the floor, I don't want you to let it bubble over, bubbling over. Just a nice simmer where all the juices can come out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the ginger. Whether it's organic or not organic, I like to wash my ginger with baking soda, vinegar, and some water, okay? And I like to keep the skin on for the ginger, because that's where all the goodness and the spiciness resides. The skin has all the goodness in it. So you're gonna go ahead and put it in your blender or your NutriBullet with some water and blend it so that you can have your ginger for your sorrel. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so every time I push a video out, you will be notified. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had hibiscus juice. We call it sorrel because it's from the hibiscus, and we call it sorrel, same as hibiscus. It's so good for you. This juice is loaded with lots of anti-inflammatory benefits, gut healthy benefits, skin health benefits. This is how the sorrel looks the next day. So we're going to go ahead and put our strainer and strain it off, because we don't want to have the leaves. We want to get rid of those leaves, okay? Then I went ahead and I cut up some fresh pineapple, because we're adding some pineapple in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and juice the pineapple. And if you need a juicer, you can click the link in the comments and grab a juicer for this recipe, because it makes it so much more easier. Then once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get ready to strain our ginger. So you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a stocking cap that's not been used. And you can also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join the family over here at Sasu Flavas. So now let's squeeze the ginger out. And if you know ginger has lots of anti-inflammatory benefits, gut healthy benefits. Ginger is really, really good for you. So now you have your ginger in here, and you can see that the color changes up when the ginger goes in. Then I'm adding some organic cane sugar. You can add the sugar of your choice, and the amount of sugar you add is going to be according to your level of sweetness, okay? I don't like mine's too sweet, so I don't add too much in there. So now you have all your pineapple juice in here, your ginger is in here, and you're gonna get ready to taste it, okay? And the amount of pineapple juice that you're gonna put in here is just gonna be a balance of the flavors. And I have the exact ingredients of how much I put in this juice, okay? So don't worry. Here I'm gonna get my ice ready because I like to have mine with ice. I just love the coldness and the iceness. Oh, it's so good. So if you've never had sorrel juice before, this is the time for you to try it. In some countries like Africa, they call it Sobolo. They call it, I hope I'm saying it right, but they call it different names, okay? But this is sorrel, and everybody makes their sorrel different, okay? But this is so good. This is an additional way that I decided to make it with the pineapple. And if you like this recipe, go ahead and try it, subscribe and follow, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.